Hello viewers, welcome to Science Tech Day. So today I'm going to take you through on how you can remove a component on your board. So this is our board whereby we have here various components. We have the capacitors, the resistors, the diodes and so on. So this is our board. This is the way how our board looks like. So I'm going to take you through on how you can remove the component from this board of ours here. But now, before we go on direct to removing the components on our board, let me first take you through the tools which you must have when you want to remove a component on your board. First of all, we have to have this. This is our multimeter. Then also we must have this gun. So it's this gun which is going to help us also remove a component from this. You can also have a tweezer which can also help you to hold the component in case the component is very hot. So you can also have a tweezer. You can also have a combined plier with you. This can also help you to cut or to shorten the legs of our components. But let's go direct to how to remove this component on our board. The first step on how you can remove our component, first of all, you need to put this gun of ours here you connect it to the electricity. After connecting it, you switch the electricity on. Then you leave this gun to heat for some time, because now when you want to remove this, at least it has to be hot. When you use a gun which is having above 30 watts, in most cases it can even spoil your components here, because it will generate too much heat. Then at the end of the day, your component might be blown off. So this, you have to understand that very well, that you should always have a gun which is having 30 watts. It's the best gun one should always have. So let's go direct to how to remove this. So this is our capacitor. So we want to remove this capacitor from this board. So before everything, you have to first of all identify which component do you want to remove from the board. So right now for us, we are going to remove the capacitor, and now this is the capacitor we want to remove from this board here. Then after you bring this is our gun. You bring it after it heating very well. Then you hold it here where the leg of the capacitor is. You hold it for some time, just for some minutes, just for some seconds. Then you remove. Then also this one, you hold it just for some seconds like this, while you holding down. Like this. This is our capacitor. We've already removed it from our board. So thanks very much.